ourselves. My name is Apriliani Afifa.
My name is Trivinarti.
And my name is Ramananda Nurjanati Balkis.
We are from Group 5 and today we are going to do a presentation and the topic is about aspirated stops. Aspirated stops are consonants that are pronounced with a burst of air release from the lungs after the stop closure is released. In English, voiceless stops are aspirated at the beginning of the word and at the beginning of stressed syllable, but not at the beginning of an unstressed syllable or in any other positions. Voiced stops are never aspirated in English. The diacritic to indicate aspiration on a stop is little superscript h such as b, t, k. Aspirated stops are distinguished from unaspirated stops by the voice onset time or VOT, which is the time between the release of the stop closure and the onset of voicing.
Phonetic application. In English, aspirated consonants act as allophones in complementary distribution with their unaspirated counterparts.
Contrastive in South Asian and East Asian language, meaning the difference significantly alters meanings.
So now we're gonna explain about how to produce p, t, k. First, p. Start your mouth close, then release a burst of air by quickly opening your lips. This creates the p sound. Make sure to produce a strong burst of air, for example, like pull, play, prawn.
And now for C, begin with your tongue touching the roof of your mouth behind your teeth. Release the tongue abruptly to let the air escape. Producing the T sound, again ensure a strong burst of air accompanies the release of the tongue. For example, shoot, sin, swing.
For k, start with the back of your tongue against the soft palates at the back of your mouth. Suddenly, release the back of your tongue to let the air pass through, creating the k sounds like with the p and th. Examples like kill, crab, cup.
In conclusion, aspirated stops such as p, t, k are characterized by a strong burst of air that follows the closure of the articulators. This burst of air creates a distinct aspirated sound. Measuring the production of aspirated stops involves process control over the timing and force of the air release, ensuring clarity and distinctions in speech.
Okay, now we move on to the question number 1. Why do the words pin and bean sound different, even though the first sound seem very similar? The explanation is because the difference between pin and bean lies in inspiration. Pin starts with an aspirated stop, which means a puff of air accompanies the p sound. In contrast, bean has an unaspirated b, which lacks the puff of air.
Question number 2. How can you tell if a stop is aspirated? So the explanation is you can try holding a piece of paper near your mouth and saying words with aspirated stops. Example, pin. And aspirated stops. Example, spin. The paper should flutter more of aspirated stops due to the path of air.
The question number 3. How can you tell the difference between aspirated consonant and unspirated consonant in pronunciation? The answer: the key difference between aspirated and unspirated consonant lies in the presence of absence of a puff of air following the consonant sound.
Okay everyone, thank you for watching this video, and we hope everyone can learn about aspirated stops from this video.